Mr. Weathers. Afternoon conversation, word for bloody word, but for the morning, because I wrote the afternoon. Is that how you remember? I want that book.
Is that funny?
The law is clear, Mr. Collins. Present recollection refreshed. Produce the books.